hot pot environment in this hotel is very comfortable, there are not too many people, and the waiters have a good service attitude and collect the dishes on time. As for the convenience of food, vegetables, cold cuts, drinks and desserts are all self-service, while other meat and seafood must be ordered using QR codes. Personally, I think the Danish pine pig and angel red shrimp should be recommended. I think this meal has a high CP value. The shrimps and clams are very fresh. There is a lot of chicken soup. The service staff is very diligent in collecting the dishes and the service is also very good. The only slight drawback is that the air conditioner is not cold enough, which makes you sweat a lot. But after the meal, we have Häagen-Dazs ice cream and desserts. They are very delicious. After using the meal coupons, the CP value is higher. In addition to the basic hot pot, there are also seafood, live white shrimp, hotel-grade desserts and Häagen-Dazs. The seafood and meat are very fresh, the milk soup is rich, and there are also Häagen-Dazs and many desserts. It is really satisfying for adults and children, and the CP value is quite high. The restaurant is very clean, the ingredients are rich, and the service staff is friendly. It is worth repurchasing. I had some doubts about the quality of the lamb, so I asked the source. The foreign waiter kindly helped me and asked the chef to come to the table to explain. He also understood that the original piece can be molded for easy slicing and the original flavor to preserve the freshness, which made me feel more at ease to enjoy the lamb. In terms of all you can eat, the CP here is very high, and the variety is rich and diverse. After reading once, you will want to eat again. Very fresh ingredients are very enjoyable to eat. After the upgrade, the ingredients are more satisfying. The price is affordable. Although you have to go to a physical store to exchange coupons, there are many places in Kaohsiung where you can exchange them, and there are still cheaper than GM group buying. The ingredients in the restaurant are good and the guests are not afraid to eat them. Hotel grade. The environment is good, the atmosphere is good, it is very suitable for dinner parties, and it is very convenient to bring ice friends or children to dine. Don't worry about everyone's preferences. Seafood meals and desserts have a variety of varieties. The CP value is good and it is worth buying again. The environment is good, the atmosphere is good, there are many ingredients, seafood lovers can come and eat, his desserts are also delicious, not too sweet, and Häagen-Dazs, the CP value is super high, you will not be disappointed. A restaurant with a very high CP value. The food is very fresh and delicious, the items are also very diverse, and even the desserts are delicious. We will definitely visit again. Personally, I think the CP value is good, and it's very convenient to bring friends or children to eat. Don't worry about everyone's preferences, there are all of them here, and I have repurchased many times.